Is your Boost Mobile SIM card not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face issues with activation, network connectivity, or the SIM card itself. This guide will walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your Boost Mobile account is active and in good standing. A suspended account due to non-payment can prevent your SIM from working properly. Next, try these basic troubleshooting steps. Restart your phone and toggle airplane mode on and off. These simple actions can refresh your phone's network connection and resolve temporary connectivity issues. If the basic steps don't work, inspect and reseat your SIM card. Power off your device, carefully remove the SIM card tray, check for any visible damage or dirt, and reinsert the SIM card, ensuring it's properly aligned. These troubleshooting steps resolve most common SIM card issues. If your SIM still isn't working after trying these methods, you may need more advanced solutions or professional support. If basic troubleshooting didn't resolve your SIM card issues, we'll now explore advanced fixes including physical SIM inspection, software updates, and network settings. First, power off your phone completely. Then use a SIM ejector tool or straightened paper clip to gently eject the SIM card tray from your device. Carefully inspect the SIM card for any visible damage. Look for cracks, scratches, or dirt on the gold chip. If you find any damage, the SIM card will need to be replaced by Boost Mobile. When reinserting the SIM card, make sure it's properly aligned with the tray. The notch on the SIM should match the notch on the tray. Place the SIM flat and insert the tray fully until it clicks into place. Check for and install any available software updates for your phone. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with your SIM card. Go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update. If problems persist, try manually selecting a network provider in your phone's network settings, or reset your network settings to their original state. This can resolve conflicts and connectivity issues. If none of these advanced fixes work, contact Boost Mobile customer support. They can help troubleshoot network issues, replace damaged SIM cards, or even provide a replacement phone if needed. You can call, chat online, or visit a store.